Thank you for the knowledge. Thank you for your protection, your guidance. Thank you for the problems that you give. Thank you for the guidance for every day. Thank you for your blessings. Amen. Good afternoon, Ma'am Pauline. Good afternoon, Ma'am Pauline.
Ariane, please return to the attendance. Okay, ma'am. Now, who among you here can recall what was our last topic all about? Anyone? What was our last topic all about? Osman. What was our last topic?
Our last topic was all about common answers.
Very good. Now, let's have an activity. This activity is called thumbs up or thumbs down. You will show your hand in thumbs up if you agree the statement and thumbs down if you disagree. Statement number 1. Pizza is the best food. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay. Statement number 2. School is boring. Okay. Number 3. Blue is a nice color. Okay. 4. The school year has 10 months. Okay. Lastly, a dog is a mama. I have a question. Wouldn't you all agree on some statements but not others? They agree on so bad but so bad hindi. What do you think? Yes, Ariane? Why did you all agree on some statements but not others?
Because some statement is I like.
Yes.
Some statement is like the person who I like the things.
See, another. Yes, Pat.
Some statements because they are based on facts, and some statements we disagree because they are based on opinion.
Very good. Now, in connection to our new topic will be two statements shows that some statements can be proven and some statements are unique. Now, what do you think will be our next topic? Yes.
I think our topic is after-based factor.
Yes, very good. Our new topic is all about fact versus opinion. When we say fact, it is a statement that can be proven true or false through evidence, observation, or reliable sources. And you can find it on news, books, or social media. But be careful for any misinformation. Here are the example of facts. The sun is a star. Is it fact? Yes. Water is H2O. Is it fact?
Yes.
The earth revolves around the sun. Is it
Yes.
Human requires oxygen to breathe and survive.
Yes.
The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the earth.
Yes.
Very good. Now next.
Nabak na siya. Asa din ako? Very good. Magsigig ang patol na ako.
Statement that reflects that, I believe, and I think, and those are the two words for the opinion. Now, in one sentence, what is the main difference between fact or opinion? Anyone? Yes, Crystal.
The difference between fact is when it is moving.
Yes. Okay, very good. Let's give Crystal a round of applause. Now I have here prepared two statements and I want you to identify whether it is fact or opinion. Number one, the president lives in the capital city. Fact or opinion? Fact. Statement number two, vanilla is the best ice cream flavor. Fact or opinion? Yes.
Opinion.
I don't like vanilla. Opinion. Now, I have prepared here activities. I will divide it into four groups and I will give it different tasks. You will give it one, group 3, and I will give you 3 minutes to brainstorm.
Yes.
Then, okay, done. Let's hear from group 1. Please present your
There is our
number 1, please listen. Listen or listen.
So number one, the earth revolves around the sun. So we put it on the fact. Second, the soccer is the most exciting sport to watch. So we put it on the opinion. And then the third one is the currency of Japan is the yen. So we put it on the fact. And it's always better to wake up early than sleep in. Opinion and all rectangles of four rectangles.
Very good. Now let's hear from group
This is the high segment. Mexico City is built on ancient lake bed. Back, evidence, sources, historical, remote stones. Reading books is the easiest way to learn and use them. So, opinion, two words is here. So, water composed of hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. It is fact. So today is our absolute word here. Yes, it is opinion because we experience it. The adult human skeleton contains 206 bones. So it is fact because proven and tested in science. So that's all. Thank you.
Now let's hear from group 3.
Held last Friday afternoon, raised exactly 5,000 pesos. This is a fantastic amount of money and it proves that all students are the candidates for the school. Everyone agrees that chocolate seems a little too sweet. And actually, we should definitely only sell healthy snacks next time. The fact is, senior student council organized the event. So, the underlying words specific to for opinion is the word fantastic, best, and I believe. There are important. First, build trust. So people know they can rely on what you say. Second, make smart choices. Good decisions are based on facts, not rumors. Third is prevent harm. Stopping fake news, protect reputation, and prevent crime. Very good. Give a round of applause for everybody. Now, with the test, if you really understood our discussion, please prepare 1/4 sheet of paper.
1/4 ma'am. Yes. 1/4. Answer directly, everyone.
Wait, stop.
Next. Next.
Oh, wait lang, oh my God.
Next. Done.
Wait.
Next.
On 6. On 6.
Next.
What's a day frame?
Gone. Yes. Done.
Subject B.
Finish or not finish, exchange your papers. Okay, number 1, C. C. What is movement number 4? Movement true or false? Fact. Number 2, D. 3, B. 4, D. 5, C. 6, C. 7,